Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, you know the drill. Please subscribe to this channel, guys. Please like the video and also comment down below. Anything that you want to comment, please comment down below, guys. Like, it's been a while since I posted. I'm just feeling so demotivated because I keep on posting and posting and there are no views, there are no likes, no subscribers. I know it's still early for me to give up. I need to keep on trying, keep on posting and whatnot, but it's draining. It's draining. You feel like you're just doing something and there is nothing that you see in return. So hopefully now I'll be back full time, and then I will try to grow my channel, try by all means to grow my channel on social media. I don't know, guys. I will try to grow my channel, but I'm just so not happy nje. Andikho happy son, andikho happy. But yeah, this is a spend a day with me. I'm hoping you will like it, and I will see you through the vlog. So I just want to make myself some tea. I am one of those people, and I know I'm not the only one. I'm one of those people who, like when you wake up, ne? When you wake up, you are hungry, but not hungry, but like hungry, So you don't want to eat something solid, like really, really solid in the morning, I'm one of those people. So yeah, in the morning, I just drink my tea, maybe with something, or my tea just, So yeah, I am one of those people, but I will eat, ne? I will eat, but not now. Now I just woke up, so leave the food there. just took a bath now, and it's so hot. Like, I don't know, these days it's just so hot. These days it's either it's too hot or it's too cold. So I'm just gonna stay in my towel. I'm like, it's so hot, guys. I don't know, but even when it's cold we complain that it's cold. So but yeah, I just took a bath now. I want to make myself something to eat, and then we'll see. Maybe I might do some laundry. I do not know, but I'm definitely staying in my towel because it's freezing hot. Okay, so yeah. Zalan, Snamon. I'm trying to create content line. Someone is deciding to just talk. Oh, guys, I'm making my brunch now. I haven't had anything to eat. Yeah. Since the morning, it was just that tea and layer, 2-piece layer, and I was really not hungry. Even now, like, I'm not that hungry, but I need to eat, because I need the strength to clean the house, and I'm also doing my laundry up, so I need the strength, and I'm not in the mood, like, seriously. If it was just up to me, I would be just sleeping the whole day today because I am really tired. This, you can never go wrong with this. You can never, ever. Especially with eggs. I like it with eggs. It's the best. Guys, I'm really worried about my channel. Yes, I don't know, man. Like, Vala, it's really not growing, hey. Like, not even 100 subscribers there. I even paid for a shout out from Oami Hlongwane's channel. Not Hlongwane, she's no longer Hlongwane. Okay, let me say from Oami's channel. I paid a shout out there, and I also paid for a shout out on Sims Rights channel. I paid for those shout outs thinking maybe I'll get to 100 subscribers. I think I only got like, I don't know, because when I did those shout outs, maybe I had like 50, I think. Yeah. And now I'm on 80, like, oh. What is going on? What is going on here? I don't know, guys. I know my vlogs are not that bad, like Aboma. They are not like to those standards, Aboma. Who are those people who like vlogging manla on YouTube? But I know my vlogs are not there yet. But we all have to start somewhere, right? So I am starting from somewhere, but I am so demotivated, Sham. It's the end of the year now. I still don't have 100 subscribers. Imagine. I don't know. I'll keep pushing. We are going. Shine. Shut. Suga. 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 Nyamba. Yaka. Muhle mahala nje uyaka. Dali bola, dali bola. Kahle bola, kahle. Kahle. Oh, guys. There's toddlers, they will make you go through a lot, Shem. They will make you go through a lot, I kid you not. So as I was busy making myself some breakfast, not breakfast, food that looks like breakfast, but it's not breakfast. So as I'm busy making myself some food, this guy, he's not yet working, he's 1 year, 1 month. He's crawling, opening the cupboard, and then, I will insert a picture here. You will see what I had to deal with. A pine gel and even my hands now, they smell of a pine gel. Pine gel like it was just and she. And whereas he was eating it, like when I turned, toddlers will kill us. They will definitely kill us, sure. You have to be doing something and looking on the side, because one mistake, person is drinking it chic. Hey, this is my food. I'll see. Hi guys, welcome back again to this vlog. Now it's the following day. Yesterday I couldn't close the vlog because I wanted to do a spend the day with me, but yesterday I couldn't close the vlog. I was going through it. Even now I'm still going through it. Like my stomach started acting all crazy. It's painful. So that's why it's because I'm going through it. I don't know what I ate, but like I'm going through it. But yeah, that's it for the vlog. This is the end of this vlog. It's the following day in the morning. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video. Please comment down below anything that you want to comment. Give me some tips on how to make my vlogs enjoyable, like, or maybe share anything, tips nyana on how to grow my channel, like what can I do and all of that. And that's it for this vlog. I will see you on my next vlog, guys. I'm not feeling well.